Yo, yeah, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we are going home now. 2 o'clock at 2:15 when I sign out. And I don't know if Rafael and Christopher are still here because during the lunchtime, I mean during my break, they sent me a message and they are somewhere here around. But it's already 2 o'clock, so maybe they left already. Oh, they are actually here. This one. But they are drinking. I don't drink. Oh, it's cold. It's the same cold like in the morning. I mean this morning. Yeah. Yeah, it's really cold. It's colder than this morning because this morning I was having this morning I have a wind protection. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we are going home now. No, not yet. We're actually going to the bike center. We're going to buy a bike lock because if you remember last time I lost my bike lock. At the moment we are here in the Salamander Bay, and I stopped here because I want to show you that there is going to be a tape that is going to open here. Yeah, TAPE is like a technological school here in Australia where they have most courses that you can take: culinary, management, everything. Yeah, but looks like it's still long time because yeah, there's not even digging the ground, just the sign. We are here in the bike shop, and we're actually going to buy one of these. I can't decide which one I'm going to take. This is the one that I had before, but I don't like the key. But this one is looks too big. Maybe this one is good but looks expensive. No, 30. Maybe I will take this one. But before taking that, we're going to have a look first. Look, they have so many things in here. Actually, the owner of the bike shop is outside. He went to the other ladies because they want to carry the bike, I think, to bring in his side here. Merida. They also have electric bike here, like this one. This one is 4,499. Oh, this one also is good. Already taken. This one is 699. Giant Jammies. Okay, so I think it's good in there. And you know, that bike, that is $10,000. The guy inside warned me that be careful because I almost hit up because of my backpack. Yeah, so they said it's $10,000. Too much, very expensive. Let's turn this way. I'll show you that there is like a lagoon in here. Yeah, there's this thing here. And there is one black swan. I will show you closer. They are there. They are family. They are biking together. Nice. You don't have to wait no more. I am actually not sure where I am going to get out from here. Yeah, but for sure I will discover that. And you know, this is the one of the thing that I like when I'm in the new place, because it's like a new discovery. Yeah, it's like a new subdivision. Yeah, this is really a new discovery for me. And this area is a little higher than the rest. Yeah, as you can see there, all the mountains already on that side. And we are going up. Ah, okay, now I know. Yeah, we actually been here before. I just go straight here and we'll be ending up in the Banyal Beach. Yeah, but this is how it is here. I am actually not sure anymore, so we're going to use the Google Map. I got it actually, just need to go straight here and I will reach my apartment. Just 4 minutes drive. How come? I don't know. And we are now here in my usual way. And yeah, as usual, today I work breakfast 6 o'clock until 2 o'clock. And actually I wake up at around 3 o'clock this morning. Early morning, very early. Yeah, because yesterday I sleep at around 6 o'clock in the morning. And again wake up at around 1 o'clock. And then I sleep again, and then I wake up at around 3 o'clock. From 3 o'clock, I was just on my computer and yeah, answering to the comments and question on the Facebook page and YouTube video. Look at this. There's some people, they are doing the paddle board. The water is very calm. Really nice looking. Looks like if you go there, you're not going to be in danger. It looks safe. Yeah, and if you remember yesterday after my duty, I met some of my colleagues from Dubai and Rafael also. They are relaxing on the beach and I meet them. Yeah, and we are sitting there for, I think they are sitting there for more than since 9 o'clock because they did like a barbecue on the park. We had a small conversation. talking about our situation, you know. And actually Christopher is the guy that is also coming from Dubai. We work together in the same in the same hotel in Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. Also, he works in the Atmosphere, the highest restaurant in the world. It's in 124th floor of Burj Khalifa. Yeah, and I left them at around 5 o'clock when the sunset is finished. They actually left me some food barbecue, so that's what I eat. And I was full until the night. Until before sleeping, I was really full. So yeah, I didn't eat anymore. I go sleep. I wake up at really early, 3 o'clock. And today was really busy, 184. Yeah, we did 184. That's a lot. Thank you. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Thank you. Look at those flowers. They never died. Those flowers. They are always there. Whatever the season, they are always flowering. And you know, it was a small world because Christopher didn't know that I am staying here in Nelson Bay. What he knows is that I am staying in Newcastle. Yeah. And then he moved in in a new company, and in that new company he met the guy that knows me and knows Rafael. Yeah. And Christopher and Rafael, they know each other in Sydney. We know each other in Sydney. Thank you. Oh, Christopher and Epi, they are working in Hunter Valley, in one of the hotel there. I forgot which one, but yeah, somewhere in Hunter Valley. Hunter Valley is like more or less 2 hours drive from there to here. We're not going there anymore. We go home now. We go this way. Oh, look at that. There are many kukatu. They are feeding kukatu in there. Okay, we are home now. And yeah, it's already 3:20. I'm actually going to pay the house rent. Supposed to be yesterday, but yesterday was like what I've said. I go home late yesterday, so yeah. If you don't know, my house rent is $250 every week. And yeah, and this is the leftover of the money that I took in Dubai. If you remember, I went to Dubai to take the money, and this is the last. Less than $100 already. It's alright. And if you remember, half of those money I used to travel with the business class airplane, luxury, amazing. I already gave the money, and now I'm going to eat. Look at this. This leftover from the birthday of Inigo 3 days ago. This is what I'm going to eat. I think it's still good. Look at that.